Sneaking in some build time before the hundreds hit. Let's do it! Alright, we're done for the day. We got a lot of stuff done, but we're getting tired and the wind is kind of beating us up right now. By the way, in case you hear this like really cool creepy noise, the neighbors, whatever this is called, siding is coming off, and I hope they don't fix it. But we've got our panels angled safely, so they're not going to be affected whatsoever by a gust of wind. Yeah, I spent a lot of time removing staples today because a lot of these panels we got from haunts that were closing up shop. I would say 80% of my panels are actually from haunts that are closing up shop. Actually, 3 different ones. One was a pro haunt and 2 were home haunts. So I made about 9 myself. So the other like 62 are all from other haunts. So I can't complain too much because I didn't have to pay full price for them and they were already semi-painted. The thing is, I have a thing about safety in my haunts. I absolutely require it. And when I have hundreds upon hundreds of staples sticking out everywhere, I'm not okay with that. So unfortunately, I'm gonna spend time to get them off.
Sebby's out here!
Yes, Sebby's here. Must pet the burr before good luck. Yay.
Sebby.
I found the skulls of Tuganda! Bonus points if you get that joke. Last day to work before this weekend build coming up. Get her done. Well, unfortunately, I gotta stop work a little early today because even though those wasps weren't giving us a problem, these young little punks are, and they don't like us doing anything over here, so we're gonna deal with them. Alright, we have set up our newest purchase for the haunt. Shade! I know, you would think we'd get the clue after, whatever, 17, 18 years. But it's here, it's shade, it's easy, pop up. I know it's sitting on top of that thing, it's fine. We're gonna move stuff in just a second. And also our amazing crew. If you don't see them on the builds, that's because they're doing cons, building fursuits, promoting books and tabletop role-playing games. Check it out, Jade Griffin Author. You've seen the videos of the many interviews. Check it out, Jade Griffin Author. Follow, subscribe on YouTube. Always be looking for Jade Griffin in the wild in Reno and Sparks. Well, not only is it smoky again today, but it's even worse than yesterday. Ew! It is hot out here. It says it's in the 70s and that's a load of crap. And it's only 9 o'clock in the morning. It's very, very hot. So we're gonna be done with building the panels. I counted, and if my count is 100% accurate, then we have 34 finished and ready to go. But we're still waiting on that very last, words hard, heat hot. We're still waiting on finding the very last mural piece. That way we can start with that stuff over there. We can actually start putting them up instead of just having them here staged, different sizes, different shapes, different styles, so that they're not all piled on top of each other and they're easier to get to, which, yeah, it took us too long to figure that one out too. Woo-wee. Done for this week, and we'll see if it's a little cooler next weekend. I sure hope so. Bye!